I set up the programming assignment in Geany just by creating a file named start.cpp, and I pasted in the default code for this class/streams programming assignment. And next I will compile, and it compiled successfully. And then I'm going to build, compiled successfully, no problem. Okay, execute. When I execute, I get this prompt. The usage is to type in myprog.exe and then the input file name. Okay, so what we're going to need to do is first find out where this program has been compiled to, where it's saved. So I just saved the program inside of the Geany folder. So I'm just going to go to the C drive, and then my Geany folder is inside of progs x86 and Geany. There's the folder for Geany, and inside of here is where I saved the start.cpp, which is just the code for the programming assignment. And then I have, after I compiled, clicked on compile inside of Geany, this start.exe was created. Now the start.exe is what we want to run in the command line. So I'm going to open the command line. Now I'm going to do to get the command line is to click on the start window in the bottom left, and you get this familiar pop-up here when you click on the start button. I'm going to type in the letter CMD, which is short for command. I'm going to press enter. Here we get the command prompt. I'm going to change directories to go back one, to go back another, and now I'm just in the C drive as indicated by the C here. I'm going to step into programs x86, which is just like this folder path there. So I'm going to check, and then I'm press enter. Oops, did I do that correctly? Press enter, okay, and then I'm going to change into the Geany folder. So I'm just changing into this folder now. Alright, so now I'm inside of this folder, inside of the command prompt. So if I was to type start.exe, then I get the familiar output that the proper usage is to have myprog.exe, but in this case the name of my program is start. And then we need to have the input file name, and that is where we're expecting to have the dev people.txt. So I've already added that file inside of the Geany directory, which is the same directory that we have start.exe. Now the important part here is just that start.exe and devpeople.txt are in the same directory. That could be anywhere. It could be on your desktop or anywhere else, as long as they're in the same folder together, which allows me to type in start.exe, and then I can put in dev underscore people, and that is giving the expected running of the program, where it opens dev people, reads in the data, and then closes dev people.